Is your current state of being supporting your manifestation? Like, this is the most important question you have to ask yourself whenever you're manifesting something, or like anything, really anything, any manifestation you want to bring into fruition in the physical reality. You have to ask yourself this question: is your current state of being supporting your manifestation? And let me explain why. Too often people think that just by using the manifestation technique alone, they can get what they want. But the manifestation process is essentially a little bit more complicated than that. And obviously I'm not saying that you can get what you want just by doing a manifestation technique, but it might take you much longer to manifest that essential new reality. Whereas if you look at manifestation as this like cohesive whole, and if you look at every aspect of manifestation, then suddenly you get your manifestation like so much quicker. You get your manifestation in no time, and it's all because you know what you should pay attention to while you're manifesting. So ask yourself this question: is your current state of being supporting your manifestation? Because let's say you want to manifest the love of your life. Let's say you want to manifest a perfect relationship with your SP, and you do your homework, like you define the qualities of your SP. You know how this person should look like. You know what you want from this person. You know how this person should act like. You know how this person should behave like. So you scripted the qualities of this person, or you put the pictures of this person on your vision board, or you're just affirming for this person. Can these techniques alone give you a specific person? Yes. But will it take a lot of time and energy and effort to manifest this specific person? Perhaps yes. Perhaps yes, because the problem is when you just use a manifestation technique, like I want to be with this person, I want this perfect romantic relationship, that's great. But also you have to look at your state of being, and you have to ask yourself, is my current state of being supporting my manifestation? Is my current state of being supporting this perfect relationship I want to manifest? Or it may be anything, the abundance I want to manifest, the lifestyle I want to manifest, the type of career I want to manifest. Is my current state of being supporting that? So let's get back to the SP example and relationship example. So you're doing all your techniques, you're affirming for your SP, but at the same time, in your state of being, in your inner world, you're like, oh, it's very hard to find the right person, or I don't deserve love, or I'm not lovable, like why would this person even like to be with me? Like you have all this negativity inside you. You have all these limiting beliefs inside you. And at the same time, you're trying to manifest the love of your life. But in order to manifest something quickly, and in order to manifest something effortlessly, is to decrease this resistance. Because all of these limiting beliefs you have about relationships and about yourself, and all of this self-criticism, it's essentially poisoning your manifestation. It's poisoning your life, because I'm sure you're aware of the mirror principle when it comes to conscious creation, manifestation. And mirror principle is just all about that reality is your mirror. You are the blueprint, and reality is just a reflection, or strictly speaking, what's going on inside you, what's going on in your state of being, what's going on in your inner world is the blueprint, and reality just reflects that. So on the one hand, you're doing your manifestation technique, you're manifesting your SP, but on the other hand, you're still upholding all of these limiting beliefs, and these limiting beliefs very often are preventing you from achieving your manifestation, from achieving this perfect relationship, from achieving the abundance you want, from achieving the lifestyle you want, from achieving the type of career you want, from achieving anything you want, just you name it, like any manifestation you want. That's why it's so important to take care of your inner world. So in order to attract love, or attract abundance, or attract success, or manifest success, or call it what you want, you have to become it. You have to become it You have to become it in your state of being. You have to become that person who's lovable. You have to become that person who's abundant. You have to become that person who's enjoying success and enjoying the type of career you want. You have to become it on the inside to get this on the outside. So again, let's go back to the relationship example. So you've defined the qualities of your SP. You've defined the qualities of who you want to be with. But are you these qualities? Do you embody these qualities? You want love. Are you love? Are you love? Is your state of being supporting love? If not, it's time to change your state of being, because actually changing your state of being is the only way to change your life and is the only way to get all of your specific manifestations, or just generally improving the quality of your overall reality. Because when you change yourself, the reality, the mirror, right, will just give you this new reflection. But remember, you are the blueprint. What's going on inside you is the blueprint. So take care of that state of being of yours. If you want to manifest love, you have to get rid of everything that is preventing you from getting this love. So you have to monitor your beliefs, you have to monitor your emotions, you have to monitor, do you even love yourself? Like, how can you expect to attract love or to manifest love if you inside you don't have any love? Like, reality is your mirror. So in order to just attract love and manifest love, you have to become love. You have to have love. You have to have love for others, and you also have to have love for yourself, because this is the only way in which you can truly manifest love from not only your specific person, but generating more love in your reality, love from other people. So if you have this limiting belief like, I'm not lovable, it's very hard to find a relationship, just reverse them. Just reverse them. You already are repeating affirmations about your SP. Start also turning your limiting beliefs into a positive affirmation, because this is how you reprogram your mind. By repetition, by repeating a new program, by repeating a new belief system over and over and over again. And essentially your subconscious mind, which is basically like a giant quantum computer, just accepts this new program. But it takes willingness. Because in the beginning, of course, your subconscious won't believe your new belief system. Like, you used to repeat all the time that you don't love yourself or you're not lovable, and suddenly you start repeating that I love myself, I'm lovable, I am amazing, like attracting a relationship is so easy for me. Like, it's gonna take a little bit of time for your subconscious to adjust to this new belief system. But essentially, trust me, your subconscious mind will accustom to this new belief system. I will accept this new belief system. And when you change your beliefs, you change your emotions. When you change your emotions, you change your energy. When you change your energy, you change your entire reality, because you elevate the state of being. And as reality, the mirror, we have to give you the reflection of the state of being. So in the example of a relationship, like you just start being yourself. You start loving yourself. You start being more loving to others. You start embodying the qualities of your SP, because if your SP is like this joyful, lovable, amazing, gentle person, then it's time you became a joyful, lovable, tender person. Because reality is your mirror, and reality will only mirror your state of being. So when you let go of this lag and limitation, when you let go of this negativity, when you elevate your state of being, you elevate the energy, this is when you start align with these higher possibilities in an infinite quantum field of potential. This is when you start align with love. This is when you start align with abundance. This is when you start align with success. So yes, use your manifestation techniques. Use your manifestation techniques to set intentions, but then support your manifestation techniques with the right state of being, and your manifestation will come to you 10 times quicker. Because there's a reason why every single teacher, whether it comes to law assumption or law attraction, always is telling you that you have to live in the end, or you have to live in the state of your wish fulfilled. Why? Because this is how you change your state of being. This is how you change your state of being from the place of lack into a place of possession, into a place of abundance, into a place of joy and love and unity. And when you come from this wonderful place of high vibrational possibilities, you transform your entire reality. You no longer allow your reality to happen to you. You become a conscious creator, a designer of your reality, and it all starts with your state of being. Whenever you want something and whichever manifestation you want, just focus on setting an intention, focus on repeating your affirmations, doing all of your manifestation techniques, but also support those manifestation techniques with the right feelings, with the right thoughts, with the right beliefs. So your manifestation can come to you quicker because you are not creating all of this energetic resistance towards your manifestation. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that right now you understand that your state of being really is the foundation of your reality, and you really have to take care of your state of being, because your state of being determines the quality of your overall reality. And the better your state of being, the more aligned your state of being, the higher vibrationally your state of being, the better your overall reality, and the quicker you also get all of your specific manifestations. And also, as a bonus, you improve the overall quality of your reality, because the better your state of being, the better your entire life. Remember that reality is your mirror. Remember that in order to see something else in that reflection, you have to start embodying a different state of being inside you. You have to start putting on new identity, putting on new beliefs, putting on new emotions, feeling like you're already enjoying your manifestation, feeling like you're already being in the reality where you want to be. It always starts inside you, because your inner world works as a blueprint for your outer world, and manifestation techniques are fun, and manifestation techniques are so important because that's how you essentially show the universe what you want. But apart from the manifestation techniques, you also have to live in the state of your wish fulfilled. You have to get into your desired state in order to get your manifestation. And you get into your desired state by elevating your state of being, by elevating your emotions, by elevating your belief system. And when you do this, you just get all of your manifestations, because reality has to reflect of what's going on inside you. And when you understand this simple principle, your life will become truly, truly magical. So try it for yourself and start just taking care of your state of being. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.